Hi, and welcome to 920 West Broad here in Republic, Missouri. This is a nice dead-end street that you're looking at here. The home has 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, a 2-car garage. It has approximately 1,575 square feet. It's got a fenced backyard, shed, vaulted ceilings you're going to see here shortly. It's got a really nice sized front porch here. Let's go on in and take a look. As you come in, you're going to see a coat closet right here for convenience. And then here is the living room with the high vaulted ceilings, ceiling fan. This home has luxury vinyl plank throughout the home. Got a nice open feel here. Here is the dining area. Got plenty of room for the dining area. And here you can see the kitchen as we go on in. It does come with the stove and refrigerator. There you see the built-in microwave and dishwasher. Nice cabinets. And there is the door to the 2-car garage. Let's go ahead and go on out and let you take a look at the back. Here you will see a nice sized fenced backyard. It does have a good sized shed with a concrete floor, patio right here. Now we'll go on in and let you take a look at the rest of the home. Go on back here, you will see a nice linen closet here. We have the washer dryer hookups right here. Here is our first bedroom. Has the nice high ceilings and the ceiling fan here as well. That's just a nice standard closet right here. Here we go into the second bedroom. It also has the ceiling fan. It also has a standard size closet right there. And here's the main hall bath. Tub shower combination. Has tile floors. And here is the primary bedroom. It's a really nice sized bedroom here. The trade ceilings and ceiling fans. And then here is a walk-in closet. And it also has the ensuite bath. And this has even a little dressing room right here. It does have the walk-in shower as well. Nice sized bathroom here. Have 920 West Broad here in Republic. Forward to seeing you.